Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm greeting according to your time and location. How are you guys doing? You're most welcome once again. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. As always know, this channel is all about showcasing the latest hairstyles and nail designs. So if you're a lover of beautiful nails and hairs, do well to subscribe and also turn on bell notification so that you don't miss our videos as soon as we publish them in the channel. Thank you for joining us. To my returning viewers, I'm saying a very big thank you to each and every one of you for always coming back to watch our videos, for the engagement, for the support. Guys, trust me, we do not take for granted. We love and appreciate each and every one of you. And please keep supporting us, and trust me guys, we'll keep bringing elegant and fascinating nails ideas. Of course, that will keep you updated. Thank you so much. Guys, today's video is not an exception, for we have carefully selected the most unique and gorgeous nails ideas. These are very beautiful nail art designs to keep you elevated. So guys, do watch to the end. Ensure not to miss any slide, for all the slides are so beautiful, like they are mind-blowing. You will definitely fall in love with the amazing collection that we have put together just for you, my ladies. So as you watch the video, kindly do select your favorite and also share to your loved ones so they can be part of the video as well. And please guys, as you watch our videos, kindly do support us by liking the video. Yeah, do encourage us, okay, by giving the video a thumbs up, and please share and comment. You can also check all of our videos, for we have lots and lots of stunning designs, so just go check them out. If you're also looking for hairstyles, why not, we've got you covered. So just go check our videos out, explore more beautiful designs in our channel. Thank you so much, my ladies, as you watch our video to the very end. God bless you all, and see you on our next video. Bye.
Thank you.